$1 a day, all rides 2 tickets each. Do not rock this shit. There is no seatbelt. Sit still. There is no seatbelt. Oh my God. I have lost my head.
Ya verás, ya verás, ya verás, ya verás. Since a little girl, I've had dreams of this world. Blame it on my mama, Lodi say third album Underworld. Left and right brain, I know you checked the frame. And no, Tigress is not just my nickname. We only got one life and I'm gonna live it. So I get up, choose my player, push play and rock with it. I got this concept and I'm running with it. One vision, 9 concepts, and I got better with it. Ya verás. Watch and see, watch and see. Ya verás.
So yeah, this is it's $1 a day, all rides 2 tickets each. And we got the minimum, if you use your card, is $10. So we got 20 tickets, which means we both get 5 rides. And so we could either duplicate it or, you know, like we can go on a ride multiple times, or we can go on 5 rides each. So that's really good.
Or we can just keep it as a souvenir.
Yeah, but we can't keep it as a souvenir.
Why not?
We can, unless we find somebody to sell the rest of the tickets to.
Okay.
Which may be possible.
Just give it to him. Just give it to him.
Look at him.
Just give it to him.
Being all generous and stuff. All right, so which one you want to get on first? Let's get on the Ferris wheel first.
Yeah, the hardest one done.
I want us to get on all the rides, honey.
Hey, you a skibbity and you a phantom. You built like a phantom skibbity phantom.
But yeah, so we did good today. So $15
What the?
for the tickets, because they were half off if we purchased at Walgreens. So we got our tickets for $7.50, and then 5 rides for $10. You can't beat it. I think we did an excellent job. Stick with me for the deals. I post them on my stories, on both Instagram and Facebook. All right, let's see where we're going first.
Trust.
Really?
Trust.
Hear this one. He said if they ask about the water, just tell them it's alcohol.
Trust. What the fuck?
I love it that the lines aren't too long. We're definitely getting on this first go round.
If I had a wingsuit, I would definitely wait till we get on the top and then just jump off.
This thing does not have a seatbelt. There's no seatbelt. Oh my God, there's no seatbelt. There's no seatbelt. Do not rock this shit. There is no seatbelt. Sit still. There is no seatbelt. Oh my. Is that Chicago? Is that Chicago?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Oh shoot. I was not ready. Not ready at all. Did you know it was no seatbelt? You know, oh my God. Did you see my face when it was like it's ready to go? What the hell? I don't think I've ever been. Oh, I hate when they do this. They have stopped the ride. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. What in the world? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Asa.
What? Hi.
Oh my God. All right, let's go. Come on. Which one are we doing?
Yeah.
This?
No, I said
The swings. We're doing the swings. This don't even look like it would be that like crazy. Okay. 2.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going in 10. Number 10 is number on the seat.
Huh?
Number 10 is number on the seat.
Number 10. You said number 10.
10.
10. Check this shit.
Check this.
Check it. Check it to make sure we in here. Check it.
You
Make
gotta
sure.
do all that. This ain't gonna save your life. Good job.
Oh boy.
Come back.
Ooh, them thighs is dying, honey.
Oh, no.
He's brave.
Never mind, you gotta fix it.
We gonna lose our shoes.
On an adventure.
Cause we both got on slides. Well, at least they'll be on the floor somewhere, on the ground somewhere. I said on the floor. They ain't playing. They ain't playing at all. Like they just literally. They said they not playing with us at all. They done started shit. What? Oh my God! This shit is crazy. Ah! Oh my God! I think my head is gonna come off. My head is gonna come off. Oh my God! We're going slowly down. Here we go. Well, I lost my hat, but the guy got it.
Luckily,
Thank
I did not
you.
lose a slipper.
Oh my God.
What's the signal?
Oh Lord. Oh my God.
Screaming? Was
Yes, I know. Right, exactly. Oh God.
When he stopped, I was like, wait, where did he stop?
Right. Acting silly. He's just acting silly. It's so silly. Asa said haunted mansion next.
Come on, bro. I don't want to be.
Haunted mansion. Ring of fire.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. See, look at that. I'm not doing it.
two.
And you got 8 left, okay?
Yep.
Come on up right here in the first car, guys.
I don't think they've been scanning everything. I don't know how in the hell we got 8 left. They ain't been scanning everywhere.
Your seatbelt.
Hold on, what you doing? Oh yeah. Safety first. Hold on. I'm punching whatever. Oh Lord. We got our seatbelt is on.
Where you gonna go?
Huh?
You gotta go.
If anything jump out at me, I'm punching your ass. If anything jumps out, I'm punching your ass. I'm getting you. If you jump out at me, I'm going to punch you right now. If you jump out at me, I'm going to punch you, just so you know. I'm going to punch you if you jump out at me. I promise you, I will jump you. I promise you. I need you to know I am going to punch you. Oh my God, look, look. Ah! Ah! I'm watching for this right here. Don't you jump out. Don't you jump out. Don't you jump out.
Somebody in front of us. There are a bunch of somebody in front of us. Oh nah.
Thanks for coming.
I talk over.
it shook our stomachs up, but at least we didn't throw up. All right, so we're out of here. What the hell? So now Bojangles has bird dogs.
Bird dog.
I think that's what we're gonna get.
The name honestly makes me laugh.
So it's just chicken in a bun. I don't find no immediate fault with it. So we're gonna try it. Bird dogs. Hello. We're gonna get some of the bird dogs, I guess. What all comes on the bird dog? No, for here. But what comes on it? Because I know he doesn't like, oh yeah, pickles, so no pickles. So one of them plain. We're gonna just get just the bird dogs, nothing else. See what they look like.
Alright, so this one's on mom. So this one's on mom. Oh crap, this looks like that.
Good.
So what does mom look like? What kind of bumbleclap dog is this?
I told him plain. If you want the sauce, tell her to make it over. I don't know. You gonna try it with the sauce?
Nah. Too
Yeah, just asking for it.
risky. Okay.
Let's see.
How to serve this? I'm gonna start tweaking.
It's so beautiful out. It's a beautiful night.
Be quiet, Tamika.
Get y'all friend.
Train approaching. Please stand clear of the platform edge.
In service.
The Blanco. Really? Oh my gosh. Alrighty.
Ya verás, ya verás, ya verás, ya verás. Since a little girl, I've had dreams of this world. Blaming it on my mama, Lodi say third album underworld. Left and right brain, I know you checked the frame. And no Tigress is not just my nickname. We only got one life and I'm gonna live it. So I get up, choose my player, push play and rock with it. I got this concept and I'm running with it. One vision, 9 concepts and how ya better with it. Ya verás, ya verás. Yeah.